Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Okay, so I'm starting off with my MAC Painterly paint pot, and the only reason I'm showing you guys this step is because I just wanted to show you that I am not going to set this base down so that the colors will be a little bit more pigmented. So now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm taking that yellow shade and I'm just going to start packing this on to the outer third of my eye in my crease area. And you'll notice I'm not really blending it out, I'm just packing it on right now. And the fact that we didn't set down the base is just going to make it so that the shadow can really stick down and be built up. So we want to make these shades really vibrant. So next I'm going to take the orange shade, and that's going to be going into the middle portion of my crease. And again, we're just building these colors up as much as you want to, and then we're going to kind of blend them out later, but for now you just want to focus on making them just pop, you just want them to pop and be super colorful. And then we're going to take that blue kind of bluish green shade, I don't really know what to call that, but yeah, that's gonna, teal maybe? Teal, yeah? I don't know. Anyways, that's going on the inner portion of the eyelid in the crease, and then I'm just taking a clean brush and just kind of blending those shades together. And of course, we're gonna cut the crease. I am using the Tarte Shape Tape for this, and that was what you guys just saw with me rolling my eyes like that. That's my little trick for kind of figuring out where I want the crease to be, basically. So I kind of blink and look up, and it kind of shows me where to, how far up to take the concealer in order to cut my crease. And I'm doing kind of I guess, more of a cat eye, I think I would call it. So I'm taking the concealer out towards that tape, and then I'm just taking that pink shimmery shade, and again I didn't set the concealer. I think that allows the eyeshadow to just really stick down to the concealer, and then I'm wetting my brush just to make that eyeshadow a little bit more pigmented and metallic looking. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm using this liner brush from Eco Tools. I don't remember what it's called, or I don't know if that's actually from Eco Tools. I might have lied just then. Sorry guys. But yeah, I'm just creating a winged liner with this concealer, and I did speed this part up, but I took my time with this and just really built up the concealer and created a liner shape with that. Wow, I just feel like I can't talk right now. And then I'm going to take the yellow shade, and I'm going to kind of do a reverse ombre liner thing, except it's not exactly ombre, but you guys know what I'm trying to do, right? So yeah, I just kind of reversed the order that the shades go in, so the orange stays in the middle, but I swapped the yellow and the teal color. Yeah, and then just, yeah, taking a flat liner brush to just pack those shades on, and again, you just want to take your time with it and build the shades up as much as you want. Then I went in with a black liner on my tight line, and now I have finished off the rest of my face makeup, so now I'm going back for my lower lash line, and I am taking the yellow in the corner to match the liner, and the orange obviously in the middle, and then the teal, I'm just connecting that to the outer corner, and finishing off with some liner in the waterline. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry I'm so awkward with this voiceover. So yeah, bye guys, love you.